Welcome to Top4Y Funny Animals. Today, we are going to take a look at some of the funniest and most adorable creatures in the animal kingdom. So sit back, relax, and get ready for some furry and feathered fun. That dog was playing with water when the cat snuck up on it. I reckon it got scared out of its fur. That cat looks as comfortable and pleased as a pig in mud, playing this game. I think the cat felt nauseous after sniffing its food bowl. I bet that cat was stunned after getting its own tail smacked right in its face. A panicking kitty after its owner put on a tiger mask to tease it. Looks like the owner picked the wrong cat to mess with. Probably a feline and a fighter. Perhaps this little dog is so hungry that when he sees the food bowl, he becomes blinded and can't find his way out of the kennel. I reckon that cat got its butt smacked when it fell off the lamppost. I reckon that dog's gonna have a hard time peeing after getting verbally assaulted by that cat. I reckon that pup's gonna be on cloud 9, with that kitty by its side, giving it some good lovin'. I reckon that pooch is gonna be feeling the pain of its own folly. I reckon that cat hit the jackpot when it discovered its owner's armpit. That cat's the epitome of high class, donning a designer hat on its head. I don't think that cat's really attacking that flying game. It's just showing it who's boss. I never thought a cat would be helpless in a game of hide and seek with a squirrel. I never thought this cat was so clever. It's almost scary. I reckon this mischievous dog enjoys riling up that little kitty. I think that mischievous cat is finding ways to prevent the bird from eating. That mischievous cat looks perplexed. playing with the flying water bubbles. The tense tug-of-war between the two dogs had even the dog referee sweating. I think the puppy was overjoyed when it first tried driving the vacuum cleaner. I think this dog was bewildered how it managed to squeeze into that chair. I think the intense battle between the dog and cat will eventually come to a conclusion. I think the puppy squad is feeling sore after taking a tumble during their walk. I reckon one swift swipe from a little OL kitty would make a big OL doggy tremble in fear and skedaddle. I reckon that kitty jumped right out of its fur after that gunshot. Two love-struck tomcats are engaged in a fur-flying battle to win the affection of a feline goddess. This mischievous pup seems to get a real kick out of teasing the poor kitty. It seems like after being apprehended, that little dog is feeling a bit rough around the edges when it comes to the big dog.